Welcome back to my channel. Please come again. Welcome back. Well, I came outside to check on things, and yeah, not looking too bad. This container that was here, I don't know where it went. It blew away somewhere. I don't know why this one's here and that one's not. I don't know. I thought I secured this, but look at this. Oh my goodness. I have to fix that. My poor bucket. Fix that. And look at this. Ay, ay, ay. The wind is powerful. By the way, that's ice. It looks like water, but it's ice. So, yeah. It's all good in the neighborhood. I'll fix it. And now, it's like, this area is more hazard than ever now. Everything's in my way. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. I don't think these are gonna make it. Nothing happening in there. Oh, look at these. Let's see, Cosmos. They're having a go up in here. And this is the mystery. I can't really see, so I'll have to wait till I open it. But something is going on. Nothing. I think. No. Let's see. I can't tell what this is either, but it's something going on. I didn't put the labels where I could see them, so I won't know until I open it. More going on. I'm not watering anything because we're supposed to be getting more rain. So nothing. I think this is the lemongrass. Nothing going on in there. Echinacea, I believe something happening. I'm not sure. Let's see. Okay, I don't know this side. I don't know the name. Can't see the label, but nothing happening on the echinacea side. So nothing going on here. These are the names that's growing in this container. This is what's going on. No. Nothing. I didn't label what I put in here. It's not what's on here. Okay. All right. Do a little bit of cleanup. gotta bring some more stakes. So I can stake this down on this side. Here, do for now. Yeah, so I don't think I'm gonna do anything with this bucket today. I'm gonna leave it right where it is until this wind died down. And then I might pick it up. It's my peas and carrots was in here, so yeah, that's okay. That's okay. So while we're here, let's go on a hunt for my missing container right there. Come go on a walk with me so we can see if we see it anywhere. I just don't understand how one blew away and one didn't. I don't get it. This here is my son's box. I think we have an avocado pit in here somewhere. I found it growing over here, so I dug it up and put it over there. We'll see what happens. This is my berry bushes in here. Yeah, there's a lot of trees, stumps, and branches out here. This is the stump that I want to put a buck, black it out and see if it'll stop growing over here and die back, rot down and die back. I want to try and see. I did one over here. Me and my son dug up one over here and I covered one over there, so I don't know. There's too many trees here. You got too many trees to take nutrients out of your soil. So ain't nothing in here. Let's look. We're going on a hunt. Let's look over here. And this used to be my old spot, but not anymore. I had this plot as well. Nothing. Would anything grow in that bottle right there? That could be a potential. I don't want to bring it and then I fix it up and nothing grows. So we check this side, nothing. Let's look over here and see. Okay. This is my neighbor's plot. My garden neighbor, rather. My friend. This was hers, but she took this one and gave me that one. Yeah, I'm okay with it. Yeah. Oh, here it is. I don't know how I did that, because look, I had it staked down and it went on a little trip. Thanks for coming with me to find it, guys. Thank you very much. End up all the way over here. Yeah. Let's go back. That's crazy. The wind is a powerful thing. There you go. I have to shut you off so I can put it back in. Thanks again for coming with me to find it. I can't even turn the camera off. Now remember, I got one hand filming, see? I use this every time I come in here. I have to use this. I fell too many times. No more falling if I can help it. I am out here fighting with the wind. I just, I lost. I lost the fight. Oh my goodness. Ah, so we're on for round two. I found everything is there. Look like it's about to go blowing up again. So round two, me pinning down this plastic. If it don't work this time, I'm just gonna leave it just the way it is. Oh my goodness. But I'm having fun out here. I'm freezing. I'm cold, but I'm having a good time. Fighting with the plastic. Oh my goodness. I needed some pegs. I walked around. I found 4. Let's see if this works. Oh my goodness, it's so windy. I had just laid it down and the wind just blew it all over my face. It was all in my so it turned into a comedian show right about now. I'm done with that bucket. There's no way I'm sitting that bucket up. I left it. And I should have left the ice on it. That's my fault. I took the ice off and I should have left the ice on because the ice was holding it down and that's the way it went. So I'm in for round 2. I don't have my tripod so I can't show you guys. Let's see how I do. Well, it may blow away again, but I am not chasing it. I'm done. I am so tired right now. I don't know. It's very windy. And now now it wants to snow on me. First it was raining and now it's snowing. Oh my goodness, this weather is crazy. This weather is nuts. Look, let's see if we can catch a drop. No drop. Well, it's flurries coming now. Oh, I tell you. But I'm going in now. I'm gonna leave the rest to the elements. Whatever's gonna do, it's gonna do. I pray that the Almighty help me out here. That's it, I'm done. The Almighty, our creator of heaven and earth, I am done. Okay. That is it. It is snowing. It is one crazy day. But you know what? Since it's snowing, I think I'm gonna stay out here just a little bit longer. I like the snow. It's not gonna get too bad. It's nice. No, I'm not. I'm kidding. I'm cold. I'm going in now. Well, whoop. Crazy days. I forgot the date of that video. I forgot to record it. It was January 14, 2024. I went to check on things and it was crazy out there. By the time I locked the gate,
it got worse. The snow came down. It was windy. That's what got me, the wind. And that was a fun time. But I was hurting. Y'all come back now, you hear? Ciao.